Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys. So today I would like to give you some material about networking and what is the title. I think I will take some title is static routing. Okay, guys. So many people asking what is static routing. So static route is manually configured route that direct network traffic to a specific destination. Unlike dynamic routing, which update automatically, static routing requires administration to define router manually. This method is commonly used in small network or a specific use case within large network where router paths are predictable. Static route is more secure because it does not exchange route information with other devices and consume fewer resources since it does not require routing protocol. However, it lacks flexibility, meaning any change in the network require manual update to the routing table. Okay, so let's go directly to the CPT and we will configure static route in route and to PC. This. So now we will make this topology route and PC. So firstly, I want to add some IP in this PC. It's up to you for uh, the IP address. And so and go to the PC one again. uh Oops, sorry. This already like this 1.2, and then this you can just do like 2.2. Boom, IP address bypass done. And now we can add the IP in the router, just and configuration terminal, and just go to the uh, one of the interface in here. Maybe I will go to the first is beside router. I will go add IP in this IP and forget to add some subnet mask and go to the PC interface. uh, Add the IP address that have uh, same same IP, same network. Like in here 1.2, so in here must be 1.1. Boom, done, and then go to the router beside it. Go and just go to the configuration terminal and interface first. Go to FA0/1, the interface that connected to the PC, and don't forget to get it the same uh, network as PC, and go to the interface that connected to the router beside it and make it same network. If beside is already used 12.2, 12.1, and now we will use 12.2. Boom. Now we will configure how to make a static route. Firstly, accept it first, and IP routes. Our destination is go to this one, PC5. 1.2.0.0. This, and for the gateway is the IP beside it. This one. And enter. Okay. Oh, no, so, terus and then go to the router one, and then exit IP address, IP route, same as before, 1.1.1, dot 2, dot 0, to let us, and then the gateway is dot 1. Boom. I think this I will add some gateway here. For the default gateway is 1.1, and this is in here. I will put it 0.1. Boom. So in here, I think, oh, I forgot to turn on for the uh, interface. Don't forget, this is one of many people usually walk in here. I forgot to turn it on, and boom, and it's automatically on. And this too, uh, interface F01, SA, no SA, interface 00, no SA. Boom. So, and then now we just can ping it. Try to ping, and there is error here. But from PC4 to the router 1 is already go, but from router 0 to router PC5 is not yet. So I think the one is in the router 1. I think it's all need time to connect it successfully. So maybe that's all for me. Sorry if I have some mistake for this time. Syukran. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.